1 Minute Dutch, Lesson 4.
It's time for 1 Minute Dutch. I'm Fons.
And I'm Mark. In this course, we are teaching you just enough Dutch to get by on a holiday or a business trip to a Dutch-speaking country, or just to impress your Dutch-speaking friends. You've already learned some greetings and useful words and phrases. Last lesson, you learned how to say you speak a little Dutch, and we're going to add to this today.
I think I hear the clock ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. You already know how to say, I speak a little Dutch. Can you remember this phrase?
You would say, ik spreek een beetje Nederlands.
Excellent. Now today we're going to add a couple of other useful phrases for dealing with the language. In Dutch, I don't understand is...
Dat begrijp ik niet.
That sounds quite tricky. Let's split it up and hear each word separately.
Dat begrijp ik niet.
Now this literally means that understand I not.
Dat begrijp ik niet.
Try repeating it again after Fons.
Dat begrijp ik niet.
Now, you may want to add in the phrase, I'm sorry, before saying that you don't understand. Can you tell us how you would say, I'm sorry, Fons?
Yes, it's not too difficult for English speakers. It's sorry.
Okay, repeat that one after Fons.
Sorry.
Now, although this is very like the English word, try using a Dutch accent when you say that you're sorry.
Sorry.
Let's put this now together with the phrase, I don't understand. So you're saying, I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Sorry. Dat begrijp ik niet.
Let's hear that a little more slowly, Fons.
Sorry. Dat begrijp ik niet.
And one more time.
Sorry. Dat begrijp ik niet. Time's up.
Even if you are trying to make that good impression with your Dutch-speaking friends or colleagues, don't worry about not understanding what they say. They'll be very impressed and appreciative if you can say that you don't understand in their language. As ever, don't forget you can visit our website on oneminute.languages.com and find out more about how you can benefit from this show. In the meantime, thanks again.
Dankjewel en tot ziens.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.